Good morning, dear students. Today I will give exercises from chapter 12. Name of the chapter 12 is the reproduction in plants. So first one is the multiple choice question. First one is the multiple choice questions. And multiple choice questions, first one, the common method of reproduction in bacteria is binary fission. Binary fission. Second one is the budding is commonly seen in yeast. Third one, reproduction or propagation by stem is common in potato. Fourth one, unisexual flowers are found in mulberry. And fifth one, a seed consists of seed coat and cotyledons. Fifth one and sixth one, date palm and papaya, mulberry are the examples of an embryo of a seed consists of plumule and radicle. And seventh one, date, palm and papaya, mulberry are the examples of unisexual plants. Unisexual plants. So first one, binary fission. Second one, yeast. Third one, potato. Fourth one, mulberry leaves. Fifth one, seed coat and cotyledons. Sixth one, plumule and radicle. Seventh, unisexual plants. And eighth one, the fusion of two gametes. The fusion of two gametes, that is the male gametes and the female gamete, is called fertilization. Eighth one is the fertilization. Fertilization. And next one, ninth one, the ability of living things to repair themselves or grow lost parts is called regeneration. Regeneration. And tenth one, the type of reproduction that does not involve the union of gametes, that is, a new individual is produced from a single parent, is known as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Second one is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, budding is a kind of asexual reproduction. First one is the asexual. First one is the asexual. And second one, the amount of cytoplasm in the parent cell is more than, what you will fill? More. Third one, yeast cell reproduced by budding. Yeast cell reproduced by budding. And fourth one, binary fission produces cells of equal size. And budding produces cells of different size. Cells of different sized. And sixth one, ferns and mosses are reproduced by fungi. Ferns and mosses reproduced by spore formation. And seventh one, male sex cells in plants are called stamen. And eighth, two kinds of pollinations are, that is the self and cross. Self and cross. Two kinds of pollination are self and cross. So in fill in the blanks, first one asexual reproduction, second one more, third one budding, fourth one equal size, fifth one different, sixth one spore formation, seventh one stamen, eighth one self and cross. Now come to the state whether the statements given below are true or false. Now come to the third one, statements. Statements true or false. Third one, true, false. In this first one, bacteria and yeast are reproduced by sexual reproduction. That is false. And second one, reproduction by spores is a method of asexual reproduction. That is true. And third one, a potato tuber is really an underground stem. True. Fourth, a whole new plant can grow from the eye of a tuber. A whole new plant can grow from the eye of a tuber. That is the true. Fifth one, cutting and grafting are natural means of reproduction. Cutting and grafting are natural means of reproduction. That is false. Sixth, most organisms have the capacity of regeneration in some or the other way. That is true. 7, flowers which possess stamens and pistils are called the unisexual. False. And eighth one, insects pollinated flowers are brightly colored. False. Insect pollinated flowers are brightly colored. That is true. Insect pollinated flowers are brightly colored. That is true. So third one is a true, false. First one is false. Second one true. Third one true. Fourth one true. And fifth one false. Sixth one true. Seventh false. Eighth true. And next one is the fourth one. Differentiate between the following. Fourth one. Differentiate between the following. Fourth one, differentiate between the following. Differentiate between the following. First one, is the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. First one is the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Write from keywords. First one, asexual and sexual reproduction. Write from keywords. And in second one, binary fission and budding. Binary fission and budding. Write from keywords. Third one, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self pollination and cross pollination, page number 133. Page number 133. In old book and new book it can be different page number. It is in the pollination. Pollination within the same flower or between flowers of the same plant, that is called the self pollination, and between flowers from different plants of the same species, that is called the cross pollination. So you have to write from page number 133. It is in the pollination, under the heading of pollination. And insect pollinated flowers and wind pollinated flowers. Insect pollinated flowers or wind pollinated flowers given on page number 134. 134. Page number 134. And next one is the zygote and embryo. Zygote and embryo. You can write zygote and embryo. Zygote and embryo you can write from keywords. Keywords. So till differentiate between the following you have to complete in your copy.